Here we have the Harbor Freight welding, portable rolling welding rack. Place for your bottle. Welder goes on top, and you got some storage shelves for other miscellaneous equipment. So I just finished putting it together. Put together in about 10 minutes. It's got some chains for holding your bottle. I do highly recommend Loctiting all the little bolts in. 10 millimeter, grade 4.8. So not the best, but then again, we're not building a car with it. So Loctite those all in. It's got these two nice hooks here for hanging your miscellaneous cords and gun. So let's see how my Harbor Freight welder fits. I just got a cheapy little home flux core one, as I don't have 220 out in my garage quite yet, and I did not feel like spending hundreds of dollars on a Hobart or Lincoln just to upgrade in the future. And so far this little Harbor Freight welder holds up very well. I'll do another video on that. Welder puts out a rather dirty weld, but they are fairly strong welds. I have built quite a bit of stuff with this so far. Put some engine mounts in my Alpha using this welder. In case you're wondering why I had to put engine mounts in, I shouldn't say engine mounts, just motor mounts. The Alpha runs on 100% electricity, no gasoline whatsoever, so I had to weld some things in there to make the motor fit. Flux core here. Line this up. Let's see, that's the best way to do this here. The cord wants to twist that way, so that way it is. Perfect for that. Sorry for the shaky video. I left my tripod at work. But this way, got the gun. Here we have the, actually it's unlabeled for how big of a ground it is. I'll be part of my next video for the Harbor Freight welder. And power cord, might as well hook that up right here. That didn't work out too well. Cord doesn't want to stay. Well, why don't I just do this? Put the camera down there. See if I can wind this up a bit. Maybe shove that under the handle since I won't have to be picking this up anymore. Here we go. As you can see, there's my Corvette, high-end car there. My welding helmet. Actually, I like turning it around because, surprisingly, fluorescent lights, compact fluorescent lights, actually set off the welder and cause the screen to darken. Go figure. Yes, I know these aren't welding gloves. For a little bit of welding I do, they're fine until I get a larger unit. Got a couple magnets. And that's sticking there. One. Two. Perfect. Now, even though this welder only holds a 2-pound spool maximum, I do buy 10-pound spools, and I just put the 2-pound spool on a little drill attachment I made and wind up a new one. So there you have it. The Harbor Freight welding cabinet. Oh, and on the casters down there, they made the bolts a little too long, so you might have to grind them down, otherwise the wheels might not spin. Other than that, I find this quite stable, and it's going to be exactly what I need as I finish cleaning up the garage. See all my tires stacked up there. Lots of other cool stuff in here, but there you have it. See you next video.